Subscribe to Technical Coder and hit the bell icon to watch latest programming videos first. Hey, what's up people, welcome back to Technical Coder, and this is a shortcut tutorial video series. And in this video we're going to show you how to export your edited file. Now you have done your editing, and let's export the file so that you can get the final video. So for this you have done earlier so much editing. You can see here, let's reduce this video size. I don't want it this much. I want to make it normal so that it doesn't take much time. So let's hit here. After your editing is done, export, click on the export button and then export your file. Here, export file. I will show you this settings on the best resolution how to get later. In the next episode will be the best resolution. So for this, click on export file, and here you can get it. You can want where you want to get it. Let's name this test video 2. Let's take it sample video. Okay, then save it, and here you can see on the job, here you can see it's been editing. This is not a very much, it's the 13-second video, so it's doing much fast. If it will be a 25-minute or 30-minute or an hour video, it will take the time, and it will just depend on your CPU or GPU speed which are capable of it. So the video is done here editing, and it's the final video is ready. So let's jump into this video, and here you can see the sample one. Hey, what's up people, the sample video that we have done. Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, and this is sample video number 2. So the final video is ready. So thanks for it today guys, and that's for this episode. I will catch you up in the next episode. Till then, bye bye. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner